Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable developer options on your Redmi or Xiaomi phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to open the developer options on your Redmi or Xiaomi phone, the first step is to go to your phone settings. After you've opened your phone settings, the next step is to go and tap this. And after you tap it, you will be directed here. So once you're here, what I want you to do next is to tap this 7 times repeatedly. And after you tap it 7 times, you will now be a developer. Being a developer means that you will now be able to open your phone's developer options. So to open your phone's developer options, go and find additional settings. Once you've found additional settings, go and tap it. Now just scroll down and then you will see the developer options. Once you see the developer options, you can now open it. And after that, congratulations, it's done. You have now opened and enabled your phone's developer options. Now you can use developer options for you to make some changes on your phone, such as advanced debugging, performance optimization, and more. And so that's just how you enable your phone's developer options, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.